Right. Okay. Okay. Good morning. It is Monday morning, the 24th of June. So I'm going to go into the market breakdown for this week. What I'm looking at. So yeah, we're going to start off with AUD CAD, drop into Great British Pound AUD, USD Swiss franc, AUD Swiss franc, then Euro Aussie dollar. So we have one, two, three, four, we have 5 pairs there, swing trading base that I'm going to be looking at this week. And then day trading wise, as always, we're going to be looking at Euro and Great British Pound. So starting off with the Aussie CAD. Let's go into this here. Let's quickly check the daily. So overall, we are pushing upside. We are breaking structures to the upper levels. So we're just going to be following the trend, right? So the overall swing is from this liquidity sweep here, breaking structure to the upside, returning to demand zones into our fib areas, and then we've pushed upside. We didn't come to TP. We have started pulling back down, so I am expecting a reaction from this level here, this demand zone, before taking the entry to try and target these highs. We could end up pushing down and breaking the low, so I'm going to be waiting for confirmation entries from this level. So yeah, just keep an eye on that one. This one could be a nice little position to take there, but we'll see. Dropping into Great British Pound Aussie dollar. One sec. Okay, yep. So we have just go and look at the daily again quickly. Well, yeah. So we're looking at a pull back upside because overall on the daily we do have a nice swing area that has been tagged into, and it is going down to the TP. I didn't actually get into this trade, but I'm now looking for a lower. I've been looking for a lower time frame for the last week, but now we have broke these levels here. We broke these levels here, so I'm looking for a pullback upside into the supply zone reaction, and then target the lower levels. Main target will be the full TP based off the daily, but there is demand zones down here that we could also target. But playing it safe, I will more than likely target the full TP area there based off the daily time frame. We have a fair value gap sitting here, imbalance, volume candle, whatever you want to call it, that's sitting there. We also have supply zone sitting up here, which would probably be my main area for entry. But we will see on that one. Keep an eye on that one. Dropping into US dollar Swiss franc. Let's check the daily again. Daily we are seeing. Okay, yep. So drop. Can't see. I've got glare on my screen today from the sun. I've got my back door open. Overall, we break on the higher time frame. We are breaking in a nice bearish move. We are breaking these lows here, creating invalidation areas at the ties, breaking lows, and I'm expecting a long-term move to the downside on this pair. We almost come to the invalidation area, but we had some sweeping liquidities. We've had some breaks down. We have had pulled a correction move to then impulsively move and break structures and structural shift based off the lower time frame. So if we was to draw a trend line here, we're bullish and we have broke through that now. So I'm expecting a pull back up into the supply zone, take out some liquidity from these areas here, and then get our move to the downside. This is going to be one of my pairs I'm watching closely because there's a big potential win rate on this one. Dropping into Aussie Swiss franc. Start off on the daily again. Overall bearish, but at the minute internally we are pushing upside. We have had a break of structure to the upside. We have come into the lower levels of the Fibonacci. below the 50%. We have tagged the demand zone, but I could see some lower levels. So I've marked out this high here based on the 4 hour, because we need to wait for this level to be broken. If this level doesn't break, which we are consolidating as we speak, we could come lower into this demand zone before pushing up and then getting our entry. And then another option would be that none of that happens and we just come down and we break this level, because overall on a higher time frame we are pretty bearish until this invalidation level here is broken. So yeah, we're at quite a important area at the minute on this pair, because it can really go either way on this one. Dropping into the euro. Oh wait, are we back at the start now? No, last one. Okay, cool. Last one. Dropping into the euro Aussie dollar. Overall bearish. See that straight away. No need to mess around. We are looking for this leg here to have some areas pulled back into. We have an overall supply zone, huge supply zone sitting up here. We'll highlight this one because this is one of the main daily supply zones, so we'll take that one there. And we have this one here as well. It's quite a big area that we could pull back into. So this one, we have two areas: the daily leg, and then we've got the 4 hour, 1 hour leg here. So we could see a pull up in reaction from this area and continue down, or we could break through that, tag into this area and then pull down. So we're looking for a couple of ideas here, because we have some liquidity sitting here. So we could see a potential, but either way, I'm looking for buys at the moment, just based off where we're sitting. We're sitting low in the leg. We ended the week very bullish. So yeah, on this one, I am looking for we had a sweep of liquidity on the lower time frame, market structural shift, very impulsive, so I'm very happy with that. So I'm looking for this week, or today even, to pull downside into our Fibonacci areas, reaction and a push upside. Always target our high when we take Fibonacci entries, but I will be targeting also these supply levels here. Going into my day trading pairs, EU is quite clean. I'm just looking for a simple. I'm going to be waiting on this one, so I'm looking for a pull upside. I'm looking for a pull upside into this supply zone before I actually look for any entries to continue to move downside. It's quite a simple one. Just overall, just follow that trend. We're so bearish at the minute. Do we have targets yet? We have a full TP target down here based off the daily. If we look here, the structure is just so clean: high, low, high, low, high, low. So I'm looking for a push down to create a new low. But I will be targeting that area there. But I'm expecting a breakthrough and a possible lower push there. So that's what I'm looking for on EU. Let's quickly just double check what we got here. Look at that, that's gone beautiful there. Right, so yeah, very clean. Just a push up, so we're getting that extension now. Funny enough, what is the current time? The current time is 20 past 7 on Monday, so nothing to actually look for here yet. Liquidity's been taken, so this morning I could probably see London pull down, take high at some levels here, and then I could see the continuation to the upside into that area there, and then we get a reaction from that level there. GU, I think it is pretty much the same on GU as well. I'm looking for a pull higher. Yep, so we've got an overall leg. We've got this lower time frame leg here as well. So I'm looking for a reaction from. That's what disgusting that is. So I'm looking for a pull upside into this area and a reaction, or higher. Simple on that one as well. We've got zones up here, but yeah, overall bearish. You know what? Probably going to highlight this area here. It looks a bit more. A bit of me on that one, so we're going for that one there. Makes a bit more sense for me. Let's drop into the 4 hour again quickly. Okay. Yep, so I'm looking for a pull up into this area here. Reaction. We have no broken structure here, so we can take that there. Nice clean break of structure. Yeah, I'm looking for that to continue downside. We have got areas of imbalance up here, volume and so on, so don't be shocked if we do take these areas up here. So when we do come into this area, we will be looking for a confirmation entry again based on lower time frames, or even the 1 hour / 15 minutes confirmation from this area, or we will be expecting a pull upside to higher levels before pushing down. And then DXY, I'm looking for, obviously this all correlates, so higher time frames, looking for an entry into these levels. And then I'm expecting higher for DXY. DXY is looking strong in a minute, so I'm looking for higher levels, maybe into this area of, I think it's imbalance there, yeah, so we've got an area of imbalance there, at least to take into that, so we want to test them levels. Gold I'm not really look at a minute, so yeah. What of news-wise, we have today we've got a CAD which is tonight, so I won't be trading by then. Tomorrow we have CAD CPI. We have a consumer confidence meeting on US dollar tomorrow. CPI for Aussie dollar. Thursday's a big day. Thursday's a really big day, so we want to be careful there. And then Friday's a pretty big day as well, so we want to be careful there as well. But overall, we're not too bad. We've got some Aussie dollar, some CAD. And are we actually looking at any of them? I think we are, aren't we? So we're looking at Aussie dollar and CAD, yeah. So we need to be careful when we're trading those pairs around them times. So just keep an eye out on them, guys. But yeah, other than that, I think we're done here. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.